A Zimbabwean couple, both 34, have been arrested in Galeshewe, Kimberley, Northern Cape, after being caught operating an illegal pharmacy and allegedly selling dagga. The shocking discovery came after a tip-off to the Kimberley Public Order Policing Unit and the works. When authorities raided the premises, they found unregistered medicine and seized 180,000 rand in cash, believed to be from illegal sales. The couple now face serious charges under South Africa's Medicine and Related Substance Control Act, which strictly regulates the sale and distribution of medicine. The couple was expected to appear in Kimberley Magistrate Court, and the police are continuing their investigation to determine whether this couple is connected to wider criminal networks in the province. Please stay tuned for more stories.